Wondering what Neroli Essential Oil is good for? Or are you wondering, can Neroli oil be applied directly to the skin? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer those questions and more. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about Neroli Essential Oil. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. But before I jump into the content, I always like to ask my audience, how do you like to use Neroli Essential Oil? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. So let's jump in. Neroli is a rare and precious oil. Its evocative aroma has a citrus and floral note to it. Helpful during times of stress, anxiousness, and discouragement, Neroli offers emotional and calming benefits. So what is Neroli oil used for? The sweet citrus and floral aroma of Neroli oil is steam distilled from the blossoms of the bitter orange tree, also known as the Seville orange. Research indicates that Neroli essential oil reduces feelings of anxiousness, uplifts the mood, and encourages relaxation. Neroli also has beautifying benefits to the skin and can reduce the appearance of blemishes. doTERRA's Neroli Touch combines pure Egyptian Neroli essential oil with fractionated coconut oil in a convenient roll-on applicator bottle, perfect for topical use. Before any big event, keep your skin looking the best by applying Neroli directly to your skin before using your moisturizer to reduce the appearance of blemishes. You can also apply it throughout the day as needed. You can apply it to your pulse points and on your wrists, neck, and on the side of your forehead to uplift your mood and enjoy the sweet, citrusy scent. When you're feeling anxious or frazzled, simply apply Neroli to the palms of your hand, rub them together and cup around your nose. Breathe in the scent deeply and feel more relaxed and at peace in no time. You can also roll a small amount onto the skin and then add lavender, ylang-ylang, and marjoram oils for an aromatic massage experience. Like rose, jasmine, and melissa, Neroli is a highly precious floral due to its high labor and low yield. Each tiny white Neroli blossom must be hand-picked at the correct time of its flowering cycle and quickly steam distilled to extract the essential oil. It takes 40 pounds of freshly picked blossoms to create one 15 milliliter bottle of Neroli essential oil, or over 200 pounds of blossoms to distill 5 bottles of oil. Wow. What does Neroli oil smell like? Neroli can be worn as a perfume to encourage creativity and self-expression. It also encourages feelings of love and romance, and like rose, Neroli is considered a complete and well-balanced fragrance by itself. It also blends well with other oils, including florals, woods, and citrus oils. Did you know that as with most floral oils, timing is important when working on blossoms? Orange blossoms will quickly lose their oil after they've been picked and need to be steam distilled as soon as possible to produce the highest quality and quantity of oil possible. Neroli is not a photosensitive oil and should be fine to be worn topically when you're outdoors. Here's a fun fact. Neroli essential oil comes from the steam distilled blossoms of the bitter orange. The bitter orange tree is native to East Asia. However, it's been growing in Egypt since it was introduced in the 10th century. Okay, those are my tips and uses for Neroli essential oil. I would love to hear in the comments below how you like to use it, but it's freebie time. As promised, I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below. Pop your email in there and it will be sent to your inbox in no time. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. Hit that subscribe button and please reach out to me if you want a free wellness consultation or if you want to learn how to get essential oils at 25% off. Okay, talk to you all soon. Be sure to check out some of our other videos. See you later. Bye.